Hello, Andy Renkey. I'm the president of Harmony Castings. Additive technology and the space in additives is extremely important to us. It's something that we have to be a part of because it's the future of the casting industry. For Harmony Casting, speed to market's critical. It's a space we're in. We go from prototype to mid-volume castings, and additive brings a new dimension to our industry by allowing us to service our customers even faster than we have in the past and providing a superior quality with our product. Humtown's been a supplier to Harmony Castings for well over 20 years, and over the past few years they've really revolutionized what they do and how they do it. By bringing additive into the picture, they've brought us more solutions, faster solutions, better solutions than we've seen in the past. We're happy to partner with them.